Which economies are bigger than Bangladesh? Sweden or Malaysia or Sri Lanka or Pakistan or Nepal? Professor A.K. Enamel Hack reveals it to you.
If I just go to Google and I say GDP of Norway, what do you think? Close to Bangladesh, right? We had 320, they are 450. So realize that Bangladesh is pretty big. If I say GDP of Kuwait in 2020, 1/3 of Bangladesh. If I say GDP of many countries, that even Sweden, countries like who has been donating money, what is the GDP of Sweden? Giving you some numbers so that you remember throughout your life, because we normally do not understand Bangladesh much. And GDP of Sweden is roughly about 530. Norway is 430 billion, Bangladesh is 320 billion, Kuwait, Malaysia. What do you now think about Malaysia?
Malaysia is our competitor.
So now you realize Malaysia is very much close to Bangladesh. Size of the economy matters, and that's why if I say GDP of Sri Lanka, what do you think? 92 billion only. GDP of Pakistan, smaller than Bangladesh or bigger than Bangladesh?
Smaller, sir.
This is Pakistan, 284 billion. Realize it's smaller than Bangladesh. Because the GDP of Nepal, remember what is the important, often you and I normally talk about per capita, but the answer is, it is not per capita. If you sell something, it is not how much individual buy, how much is the total sales in that economy. So in one year in Bangladesh, we nearly sell, remember the definition, whatever we, doesn't matter whatever we buy, remember expenditure, somebody's revenue. So my expenditure is somebody's revenue. So total value of goods and services that we buy in Bangladesh is 320 billion. Somebody is selling it or not. If we are buying it, somebody is selling it. So $320 billion worth of goods and services is sold in Bangladesh every year. And what I've just shown in this calculation, that you can see, if you look into GDP of Thailand, $505 billion. If you say GDP of, let's say, Laos, GDP of Vietnam, bigger than Bangladesh? No. Look carefully. It's smaller than Bangladesh. Look carefully here. Vietnam, this is Philippines, this is Thailand. And Bangladesh is about Philippines. 320, this is 330. If you start looking at Bangladesh, and this is what is important for understanding as a business student, that Bangladesh is a big economy. If you say rank of Bangladesh by GDP, it is the 39th.
39th?
Yes. So only 39 country in the whole world is bigger than us. So now look in the world map. So if you look into the whole world map, how many countries in the world? Of all the countries in the world, Bangladesh is only 39th largest economy. So one fundamental point that I always mention to my students is that do not underestimate Bangladesh. This is the whole world. There are many, many bigger countries you can see, but Bangladesh is not. It doesn't even look like. Do you see Bangladesh? It's almost impossible to see. But it is the 39th largest economy in the world. That is the fundamental first lesson people should realize it, because it's a huge economy. Okay, that's what people do not understand, that how to look into this economy. This economy produce goods and services worth of $320 billion every year. That's the definition. If you look into this, remember all these three. So we say, look, we buy goods and services out of $320 billion, right? If you look into this, who is selling it?
Please subscribe to this channel to receive updates on new videos.